Dear students, today I will discuss with you some important MCQ from the chapter Chemical Equilibrium. This is the for the chemical equilibrium, calcium carbonate, it is solid. So for such type of reactions, you always remember which one is solid, which one is liquid. So you have to take the solid is the zero concentration. So can be written from which one of the following plots. You see. So these are the plots given. Okay. So relation question number 5. Delta G is equal to minus RT ln Kp. Okay. And we know delta G is equal to delta H, this is standard, 0 means standard, minus T delta S, that means minus RT ln Kp is equal to delta H0 minus T delta S0. Okay, so dividing by both sides, minus RT, so minus RT minus RT minus RT. So here RT cancel, so you will get ln Kp, and this will plus is equal to minus delta H0 by RT plus, this is plus Tt cancel, so remaining delta H0 by R. Okay, so this is y is equal to mx plus c in the form. So m is minus delta H by R multiply 1 by T plus delta S0 by R. Okay, so here decomposition, this is endothermic, means delta H is in the, this is the formula, so that means in the formula minus sign is there, that means delta H is positive. Here delta H is positive, therefore it is endothermic reaction. And here delta is multiplied with negative sign, so slope is but the slope is negative, here negative. That why it is negative means because your T negative sign slope means 1 by T, negative slope, delta H is positive but the slope is negative. That slope is negative means what? 1 by T gets smaller, understand? Slope is negative means 1 by T gets smaller. Okay, and the value of log Kp also goes up. So this is the choice, your A is the correct answer. Okay students, next question number 6. For the reaction H2 plus CO2 giving CO plus H2O, if the initial concentration H2 CO2 and x moles per liter of hydrogen is consumed at equilibrium, the correct expression of Kp is what? The correct expression of Kp is what? You see, question number 6. So you see H2 plus CO2 all are in gaseous state giving carbon monoxide plus H2O. Okay, so initial concentration of H2 is equal to CO2, both concentration same, and it is taken X. Okay, so at equilibrium what happens? Let it 1 minus X, 1 minus X, it is formed XX. So Kp is equal to X by 1 liter, X by 1 liter. This is 1 minus X by 1, 1 minus X by 1. So you will get what? X square by 1 minus X rho whole square. So choice A is the correct answer. Okay students, next. Among the following which is true for mole of liquid? So Cp minus Cb, question number 7. Cp minus Cb, we know this is R. Okay, this is Cp minus Cp, this is for R, and this is for gases. But liquids are not compressible. So Cp is approximately equal to Cb. Therefore Cp, here the choice, Cp is equal to Cb. Cp is equal to Cb. Choice A is the correct answer. Next, for the reaction H2 plus I2 2HI, K is given. If the initial number of moles of each reactant and product is 1 mole, then the equilibrium of what? See, question number 8. What is happening? H2 plus I2 giving 2HI. Okay, H2 plus I2 giving 2HI. So your Kp, K equivalent constant Hi square by H2 I2. So as it is 1 moles, initial concentration of 1 mole reactants and products. So this is 1, this is 1 and this is 1. So you take, this is Hi square and this is also H2, or I2 you also take H2, this is square. So K is equal to given what? 47.6, 40, K is equal to 47.6. So but squares are there, so root over of K you will get what? 47 means nearly approximately it is taken as 7. Okay, so 7 multiplied 7 is this is your 49, so approximately you take 7. So Hi concentration by H2 concentration is equal to 7. That means which one is greater? Hi is greater, so Hi concentration is greater than H2. Okay, so your choice C, H2 I2 concentration H2, this is same for initially, but at equilibrium what happen? I2 is less than Hi. Okay students, have a good day.